Howdy folks. Good news is I do have the first draft and the first edit complete on my PTSD book. So now I'm going to let that sit for a minute, get some feedback from other folks, and let it percolate in my own brain. Rainy day, got a fire going in the stove, got a project that needs done, going to do a little welding today. Self-care. I'm having a really rough go of this morning. I get so anxious without a script. Yeah, gonna try anyway. Got to do something. Keep my brain working. So why make a video about welding up a plant hanger? Nobody cares, Brian. Just shut up. Got to go through this, Brian, to figure out how to do it, though. This is just the painful part. I don't understand it completely. I suspect that welding is a special interest of mine, like cooking. I haven't talked a lot about my autism on this channel, mostly because I just discovered it a couple of months ago. I will talk more about it in the future, but a big part of recognizing that you're autistic is unmasking. Recognizing what you do to fit in with a neurotypical world. They call that the mask, and you need to take that mask off and figure out who you are. One of the ways I'm trying to figure out who I am is through the pathway of special interest. So I'm exploring my autism by welding in my garage. What welding today does for my brain, how it feeds my soul, and what effect it has on my mood. Plus, I love it. It's freaking awesome, and it's great to get something done. I'm kind of terrible at knowing how to ask for comments, but I want these videos to be a conversation with y'all. I hope you have the time you need this week to take care of yourself and your family, and I hope you enjoy the holiday. Remember, folks, hope is a choice.